Right, this is the pine tree I'd use. I think it's called Scotch pine, I think it is. It's like, what you can see is just like a little bushy, similar to a Christmas tree. It's about, it all tastes the same. And that's it for the in close up just before I cut it up. And if you pull one of the needles off, it's got like a fork. It's two pine needles joined together. The stem, but to pick that bit off or cut it off, I do like, because they say it's a bit bitter. And then so I find it easier because it's easy to get, so I just get a scissors and cut the needles while it's still on the branch, and then I don't get a bit of bits in. So I find it much easier just to pull through it. It's only a small bit, so it's a little bit awkward, this bit is, to be honest. Like, and yeah, just cut them off like that. And then when you've cut them off, you've got about that much left in. But I'd put about a tea bag full in, or a bit more. A tea bag isn't just not really strong enough, I don't think, really. Like, but just start with a tea bag, and then you can always add a bit more. The next cup you make, then you can. I'd find easier. And just tip some hot water over it then, which is boiled. I use distilled water as well, so I don't use tap water crap, like, you know what's in it here. So I always distill my water and turn it over it, and then give it a good stir then. Let's give it a good stir for a while, and I leave it then in there until it cools off a bit. Till it's cool enough to drink, we'll just give it another stir again, and just I leave it till, well, then I sieve it off. Yeah, you got a little tea strainer thing. Remember them things, old fashioned, when they? And I tip it into, get all the bits out of it. You get the odd little bit to float through, like, but that's not going to hurt you, is it? And then I tip it back in my Christmas mug, because it's Christmassy, so I got to make sure I use my Christmas mug. And there it goes. Oh, I got a little floaty one in there. That's not going to hurt anyway, is it? Merry Christmas, bud. Oh, it tastes nice, oh, I haven't had for ages. It's great.